Sanhi ng umano'y pagpapakita ng unparliamentary acts nina Senadora Laila de Lima at Senador Antonio Trillanes pinaplano manong kasuhan. Abang ito ni Justice Committee Chairman Senator Richard Gordon. Mano itong maiwasan kung hihingi lamang daw ng paumanhin ng dalawang senador. Ang ulat mula kay Marita Moahe.
Nagpahayag si Senator Richard Gordon, Chairman ng Senate Ethics Committee on Justice and Human Rights, na plano nitong kasuhan sa floor sina Senator Laila de Lima at Antonio Trillanes ng unparliamentary acts.
I think his original thinking was that he will bring it to the Senate floor so that the plenary can talk about it. That was his original thinking. I don't know if I got him right.
Ayon kay Senator Tito Soto, nabanggit lamang daw ito sa kanya ni Gordon. Samantala, may definisyon naman sa Senate ruling ang unparliamentary acts.
Section 93 of the rules state that unparliamentary conduct is defined as acts or language that offend a senator or a public institution.
Maaari naman nga umano itong maiwasan kung matututo lamang na humingi ng pasensya ang isa't isa.
Apologies are always normally accepted.
Samantala, sinisimulan na rin daw umanong kausapin ni Senate President Coco Pimentel, sina Senators Gordon at De Lima.
Umpisahan ko na nga kahapon, pero sa maikling panahon lang yung pag-uusap namin. I'll try to talk to the involved persons again today. I talked briefly with Senator De Lima and Senator Gordon, pero napakikling panahon lang, separately.
Hindi naman daw ipipilit ni Soto sa dalawa ang manghingi ng pasensya at mag-usap kung ayaw ng mga ito.
I'd rather not say that. I'd rather not comment on that. Baka may ma-offend.
Once natanggap niyo today yung ethics complaint ng House, ano susunod na po? Papatawag agad kayo ng ethics committee?
Hindi. Review ko muna. And then I will give copies of the complaint to the other members. And then I will make a recommendation on what to do.
So,
after I have reviewed it.
So, possible na hindi na umabot within session days, sir?
This next week? This week o last week ngayon.
So, mga next year na?
Mahirap.
Mga next year na?
No, yung mga sinasabi ko na pwedeng gawin ko, magagawa ko this week. As a matter of fact, it can be extended up to next week. But for us to call a hearing already, if the recommendation would be to call for a hearing and ask Senator De Lima to answer the accusations, that will have to be when we come back in January na. Kasi, out of the country siya, hindi rin, I don't know if I can muster a quorum by next week. Everybody is in Christmas mode already, so ako na lang mag-aaral sa committee ko kung anong magandang gawin, kung anong mga recommendation na ibibigay ko sa mga members namin.
Sir, question pa ba kung may jurisdiction kayo? O yun, wala na, hindi nyo na pag-usapan kasi malinaw?
Oo, walang issue of jurisdiction dito. Malinaw na ang complaint habang senador siya.
So, sir, anong first step, anong procedure, sir? At ano muna i-determine dapat na
Yeah, I'll look at the complaint, determine the form and substance, then give the members a copy, and then after I have fully reviewed the complaint, then I will give my members a copy of my recommendations.
Gaano katagal yun, sir?
May timeline ba yun, sir, pag may na-receive?
Gaano kabilis ang gusto mo? Well, siguro, give me a week.
But you want this resolved?
Kahit a few days, depende. Depende rin sa mga members ko kung mabilis ang reaction nila.
Sir, but you want this resolved as soon as possible?
Yes, as soon as possible.
Because?
Kaya lang, the hearings, I doubt if we can conduct one before Christmas.
Yeah,
or after New Year na.
Even after New Year, sir?
After New Year, yes.
Yeah, you want this fast, correct?
Yes, as soon as
Mga
possible.
ilang hearings, sir?
Oh, we will be able to, depende sa mga sagot, depende sa mga accusations. It can It can be done in one hearing. It could stretch out to about 2 or 3,
So
depende.
nag-invite ba ng resource person sa ganun? Hindi.
Depende. Depende sa sagot ng respondent, saka depende sa mga complainants kung meron silang gustong ipresentang testigo.
Sir, pwede ba yun na magkaroon ng face-to-face yung complainant at saka yung nare-reklamo?
Oo, usually yes. That's what we have to do. Hindi pwedeng magkatalitot silang nagbabatuhan. Mas maganda kung harapan.
Ano ba ang decision, sir, ng committee decided by majority vote, sir?
Yes, of course.
Members, so ilan, sir, kayo?
Usually, alam mo naman sa Senado, the chair comes up with a resolution or a committee report. The members sign in favor or not. Diba? Ganun naman yun eh. And then it's brought out to the plenary. Majority.
Majority.
Always majority. 7.
So, apat. So, 4. Tapos when it reaches the Senate, sir, ilang, ano yung majority? 2/3?
For expulsion, 2/3. Pero I think a simple majority if that is not the case. O kung admonition or dismissal, di ba, of the case.
Majority of the
Dismissal.
members.
It can go from dismissal of the case to expulsion eh, di ba? Ganun naman lahat ng complaints eh.
Majority of the members
So,
of the Senate.
ang alam ko, pag expulsion, kailangan 2/3 vote. Pagka lower than that, majority lang. Ng plenary. Yeah, 16. Always 16. Kahit ang quorum mo, 17 lang. Parang mga treaties.
Sir, sorry, yung majority po kapag admonition lang. Majority of the members, which is majority of 7.
Oo, but it has to still be approved by the plenary. By the Senate itself. Always. Lahat naman yung amin, kahit yung mga committee reports ng ibang mga committees, kung napapansin niyo, napakaraming committee report in the last Congress na wala naman nangyari. Kasi hindi dinadala sa plenary. So as long as you don't bring it into plenary, we do not approve it in plenary, it's not a Senate committee report. It's a piece of paper.
Pero sir, kung admonition sa plenary, not necessarily na 2/3 votes na. Expulsion
I think so.
Expulsion lang kailangan ng 2/3 votes.
I think so.
Pero
I have to review my rules on that. Pero that's how I recall it. Yun ang tanda ko.
Nakuha yung 4, hindi na-out.
Kung
4 signatures, hindi na-out.
pag walang 4 signatures, oo. Siyempre, wala akong committee report. Yeah.
Sir, ano nangyari dun sa ethics complaint ni Attorney Abelardo Jesus? First ethics complaint.
We'll probably take into consideration the second supplemental complaint niya. Kasi halos pareho nung ipapadala ng House, but I'm talking off my hat because I have not read the House complaint yet. So baka, pero the original complaint and the complaint of the other complainant both have issues on jurisdiction. So with that, I think most of the members are ready to. I'm ready to draft a committee report on those specific complaints.
Sir, confident naman kayong babalik sa
Oo, hindi. Mahirap gayahin si Ping tsaka si Greg, ha? Hindi. Binibiro nga ni Ping, hindi na gagayahin, ha?
Sir, did you receive a word kung sila Congressman Farinas o
Yeah, they're coming over. I was on the phone with the majority leader of the House, Congressman Farinas, together with the Speaker. Nihintay lang yung Speaker, they're on the way. They'll probably be here around 3 o'clock, as he told me. Yeah. Here, I will probably receive them in the second floor office of the majority leader because I wanted sana the Senate President to see them, but the Senate President is out. He has a meeting in Malacanang. So anyway, it really will fall into the hands of the Committee on Ethics. So sa akin na rin nila talaga ibibigay.
second floor sila, sir, sumakay?
Baka doon na sa second floor. Para katabi na sa ano. Hindi ko alam eh. Sabi lang niya sa akin.
President ng committee.
Si Senate President,
Sir, medyo kailangan assurance, sir, na magiging fair ang ethics committee o even na yung
I've said that before. I will say it again. I will always be impartial. If you cannot be impartial and you're chairman of ethics, you better resign.
Sir, ito bang hindi pa indicative ng possible vote for against the iba yung botohan ng pa-out sa Justice Commission?
That's a different story. Aanguluhan ng ibang ganun yan, pero sa akin hindi. Because ibang ano yun eh. Ibang sitwasyon yun.
May recognition naman sa Senator Lima na talaga advice.
Sabi ka paano? Meron siya?
Advice sa kanya kay Tayo.
Oo.
Nakikita niyo ba na nakikita niyo na
As I said, pagka yung mga ganyan, I'd rather not give my personal comment at this point kasi nga, then I will not be seen as impartial.
Sir, when you say na, clarify ko lang, yung pwedeng face-to-face yung respondent and yung complainant, meaning kaharap din sila sa House Speaker dito sa...
The complainant, let's say in this case, it is the Speaker or Majority Leader Pariñas, then we will invite them. And of course, we will invite Senator De Lima to answer their allegations.
Sir, for the first ethics complaint, nag-file ba si Senator De Lima?
Hindi pa, because we have not called her, we have not asked her to respond. Because we had to settle the issue of jurisdiction muna eh. That's why we did not ask her to respond.
Dito, applicable ba din yung out of court settlement? Hindi pwede, hindi applicable.
Magandang tanong yun ah.
Pag-usapan nila.
Hindi maganda. Bakit? Oras na may dinala kang issue sa committee, lalo na sa ethics, as a matter of fact, even sa rules, may dinala kang issue ron, sinettle ng hindi sa committee, hindi magandang tingnan. Mas magandang isettle na kita ng publiko, kita ng mga ibang mga senador. Mas magandang gano'n. Okay. Thank you.
Para tayong
Kahit admonition na. Pero pag isa ko sa report out of 7 firma,
Ganun pa rin. Mababa pa rin. Mababa pa rin sa plenary, pero kailangan 2/3 na. That's up to her.
Sir, di po pinaward sa
That's
inyo.
up to her. Hindi naman show cause order to forward sa akin. It's a complaint of... Hindi pa.
Pina-refer?
Hindi. Sa kanya. It's with the Senate Secretary. The Senate President told the Senate Secretary, as far as I know, Senate President told them to give it to Senate Secretary. As I said, I'm ready to come up with a committee report regarding that. Sabay na natin ito sa...
So may draft committee report.
Piniprepare ko pa.
Anong inclination na may jurisdiction ka?
As I said, parang magtutulog impartial ako dyan. Hindi ako magtutulog impartial dyan. Pero if you're asking for my personal opinion lang on this first two, we really have a problem on jurisdiction.
So likely sir, pwedeng dismiss
Kung walang jurisdiction, yes. So if we cannot prove any continuing action up to now, then we will have to dismiss it.
Sir, syempre, hindi ko naman mapipili dyan siya, no? Pero yun nga po, sabi po ni Senator Gordon, gusto niyang raise yung unparliamentary conduct ni Senator De Lima. Ano po ba ang proseso, ang basis? Anong dapat basis?
The basis would be Section 93 of the Senate Rules. Section 93 states acts and languages that offend a senator or a public institution is unparliamentary conduct. In the definition.
Basta ma-offend ka.
Yes, Rule 93. So, ako naman, as chair, I will just wait for any complaint that is filed to the committee.
No act of walking outside. Is it considered illegal?
It's very difficult to, I don't know, baka hindi yun ang point na walking out, whether announced or not, is a prerogative of any member present.
Sir, wala ba?
Depende sa'yo. Some people look at it as a sign of weakness, some look at it as a sign of strength, or iba-iba eh. So, I don't think but offense like walking out is offensive to a member. I don't know. Depende. Tingnan natin kung ano. I doubt it. That is because no emergency parliamentary
Sir, nababanggit niya yung yung mga statements and also yung presenting daw as solid witness.
That's a different story. We'll have to look at it. Mahirap naman yung at face value lang or yung kung ano lang yung marinig natin. I-prejudge na natin tayo.
Sir, wala bang effort na parang pag-usapan niyo since pare-pareho kayo nasa budget?
I'm sure meron. I'm sure meron. At saka siguro pwede naman mapag-usapan yun.
Sir, historically, ganun ba yun? Parang tinatry na lang pag-usapan. Meron na ho ba talagang naparusahan dyan?
Merong mga instances in the past na kapag ang isang senador ay na-offend sa isang kapwa senador, dinala siya sa nagreklamo, whether sa floor or sa committee on ethics or sa Senate President. Usually napapag-usapan. I still have to recall right now, I will have to remember something of this kind. Iba kapag regarding sa labas yung complaint. Ibang dating naman. There's no way the chair or any member of the committee should go out of his way to talk to the complainant para regulahin lang.
Sir, kaya
hindi maganda. So yung complainant, kung mayroong outsider ng complainant, then the committee discusses the contents of the complaint.
Sir, itong yung pagpatay ng microphone ng kapwa senador, pasok po ba yun sa unparliamentary access?
Kung na-offend yung senador, sapagkat, as I said earlier, Section 93 of the rules state that unparliamentary conduct is defined as acts or language that offend a senator or a public institution.
And that is a ground for ethics.
Depende rin sa nagre-reklamo.
Pero pwede yun.
Pwede.
Kailangan po ba may complaint mo na hindi pwede photocopy your investigation kasi?
Pwede, pero I'd rather not.
Why, sir?
Siyempre, you have to be neutral, impartial.
Pero sir, as majority leader, maayos niyo ba ito ng kayo-kayo lang since membro naman pareho ng majority?
Pwede. So, siguro susubukan namin. I'll talk to the Senate President.
Sir, kaya sa tingin niyo? Kaya maayos?
Pwede naman siguro. I'll talk to the Senate President.
Sir, sorry, sir, meron na mo bang nasasabi si Senator Gordon na may plano na siyang i-act sa ethics
meron siyang nabanggit na parang gano'n. Not directly na sinabi ko sa akin. Pero mga tatlo-apat kami nag-uusap and he mentioned something to that effect. Gano'n lang. I think his original
thinking was that he will bring it to the Senate floor so that Kimlela can talk about it. That was his original thinking. I don't know if I got him right.
And then, sir, kung laman siya ng privilege speech na tapos di ma-refer sa ethics committee, so that's automatically considered as a complaint?
Yes, definitely we will hear or we will meet to discuss it.
Pero this is something, sir, that you think can still be fixed?
Oo naman. Kasi apologies are always normally accepted.
Senator, ano lang, update po sa second complaint versus the
I already gave the members a copy, even the ex-officio members were given a copy. They have yet to finalize a date to meet and discuss it. Kasi when we scheduled yesterday, some members or most members were not available. So, ayoko naman ang ethics committee, ayoko mag-hearing ng dalawa lang kami. It is actually a forum. Kahit dalawa lang, sabi ng rules namin, pero ethics ito eh. Complaint ito, hindi pwede. Ayoko parang unilateral ito. Kasi
sir, nangyari na ba ito na senador versus kapwa senador sa ethics complaint? Kasi yung kay Jampi at saka kay Villar, project yun. Ito ang parliament.
Wala ako dito nun eh. 13th and 14th Congress, wala ako eh. I was here from the 9th Congress, except the 13th and the 14th.
During your term, sir, wala pa nangyari?
During my term, there was a time na binato ng baso na may tubig ni Senator Cosette yung isang namin, pero hindi complain eh.
Yung isa, senator.
Ang parliamentary conduct yun, matuloy ka ng baso ng tubig. Pero hindi nag-complain ng senator.
May nagsuntukan na rin, di ba? May nagsuntukan.
Hindi lang natatanda ako, I don't remember the other times.
Pero kung powerful kapag senador, complaint sa kapwa senador, hindi ba pwede siya i-dismiss at sabihin mag-usap na lang? Yung hindi outsider yung
Mas madali nga yun.
Madali yun, sir.
Mas madali yung pag-usapan.
Sir, paano pala yun? Sabi rin ni Senator De Lima, na-offend siya. So, possible na pwedeng mag-complain siya, mag-file siya ng complaint. So, medyo...
Offend siya eh.
Kaso, komplikado. Mas magiging komplikado yun.
Hindi rin. What we have to do is look at it this time.
Pero so far, they have both refused to apologize to each other. So, kung sa tingin niyo po, apology would help sana, mukhang it's not expected from both sides, sir, at this point.
At this point? Well, at this point.
Would you recommend? Would you recommend na ganun?
We have to probably look at the context really muna of what really transpired. And then we can safely say, ito dapat na kausapin natin, o si ganun dapat na kausapin.
Pero
Kung
personally,
gusto natin, huwag nang lumaki.
personally, would you recommend na ganun na lang? Apologize na pag-usapan na nila.
I'd rather not say that. I'd rather not comment on that.
May efforts.
Baka may ma-offend.
May efforts na sa leadership na pag-usapin yung mga grupong conservative.
Wala pa, ngayon pa lang kami nag-uusap ni Senate President. Hindi namin na pag-usapan kahapon ng pag-isip. Kasi maraming pending kahapon from the open and close of Monday because we were mourning the death of Senator Liam kasi tradition. So lahat na nakapending ng Monday nalipat kahapon. So kahapon naman, masyado na rin busy. So ngayon, I don't think we'll stay long in the session today because later on we will be celebrating the centennial of the Senate. So kailangan maaga kami, the Senate President is attending old Congress building. Hindi kayo bitado?
Hindi yata, sir, open eh.
President, Senate President. Sir, not for Sir, not for
Baka Malacan
No,
yan.
better ask the Senate President.
Baka Malacanang
The
yun.
old Congress building, nung nag-senador ako noong 1992.
Sa museum, National Museum.
Good, museum.
Baka Malacan.
What time, sir?
6:30.